Hello, Geospace. I hope that everybody's doing well. I'm here with your agenda for May 4th through May 8th, I believe. And so last week had you playing Energy City. Hopefully you got through and successfully managed that city for 20 years and showed some growth and understood maybe the benefits or consequences of various forms of energy. This week, as promised, or as I did promise weeks ago, months ago, we're returning to rockets. We're going back to space, and this week is going to have you designing, well, first researching, then designing a rocket, and then also providing you guys with an opportunity for some extra credit. So I'll just jump into the agenda here. Where did my computer go? There we go. So here's the posting today. Return of the rockets. As always, just a reminder, anything you do will improve your grade as long as you're putting effort into it. And so just keep that in mind. If there's something that you had not done, if you did not play the game Energy City and take some screenshots and kind of fill out that little document, then do that. Even if it's late, I'm not taking off points at this point. Anything you can finish that we had done previously is going to only help your grade. So just keep that fact in mind. But this week is going to be centered on rocketry. So the first item on your agenda is to watch this Ed puzzle. It kind of talks about the science behind rockets and how they work, essentially. And so some questions in there. It's only 6.5 minutes long. Shouldn't take you too long. But earn you some points there. And then the really, like the meat and potatoes of this week is what we are calling the Distance Learning Rocket Project document, which is really just a Google slide, which I'm going to open up here, and gives you an opportunity to, opportunity for some choice to begin with. Okay, you're going to earn 20 points basic level if you just design a rocket and draw it out, either on a blank sheet of paper or digitally. I prefer a sheet of paper personally, and then you just upload that picture and you get 20 points. Use, on the second slide, these resources here to help you designing your rockets, right? There's diagrams, there's a tutorial video, which I'm gonna kind of talk about the real usage of that. This is also another kind of step-by-step document that you can use to build a rocket. And then there's a comparison of a real rocket versus a water rocket, which is also useful. So you use those resources to help you throughout this week. But level 1, just draw out and label as high of a quality of a rocket design as you can. Okay. Then you have an opportunity for extra credit. Okay, so if you were to build that model that you just designed, either physically, right? Like let's say you're going the water rocket route and you are building and using these resources to build a water rocket, you could earn another 10 points of extra credit here, right? Use materials that you have, get a hold of some pop bottles, get a hold of some cardboard, some duct tape, whatever you can use that's safe. I wouldn't attach anything dangerous to your rocket, like metal or something else that could potentially harm someone, but building one either physically or building one in Minecraft can earn you another 10 points of extra credit. To earn another further 25 points of extra credit, you would then launch a rocket. Okay, so some of these resources, like this PDF, will explain exactly how to build a water rocket, the parts that are necessary for that to happen. And then this video in the resources actually will talk about a simple way of constructing a rocket, but also launching it with just a bike pump. So this week I would view as an opportunity for you guys to kind of shore up, as we close in towards the end here, your grade, a better way of improving your grade. And so just to reiterate, you do the Ed puzzle, you come in here, If you design a rocket, draw it, take a picture, and turn it in, you're earning 20 points. If you go a step further and build it, you get another 10 on top of that, so 30 out of 20. And if you're able to then launch that rocket and take a video of it, attach it to the posting and turn it in, or email me if you have to, then you can earn up to 45 points for this week. I urge you, as always, just email me with questions if you need some guidance on something, but should be a pretty fun week. We've returned to rockets, and it's looking like, at least for a little while, the weather's going to be hopefully okay if you're going to be launching some. So good luck. Obviously miss seeing all of you in real life, but this is the best that we can do in the interim, and that's all I have. Bye.